Well, hey everybody. Today, we're drawing a turkey. Now, for this little Thanksgiving turkey, we are going to need some type of brown color for his body, some red, some orange, some yellow, and some type of marker or dark color to draw with. Alrighty, let's get started. It is turkey time. All right, stick with me here because the head of this turkey might be a little complicated, but after that, I promise it gets easier. So we're going to start with a circle. This is going to be an eyeball. Okay, the eyeball that's closest to us. Now, I'm going to draw this other eyeball behind, but I'm going to wait a second because I want to draw a bit of his beak first. So, turkeys have a beak with this little gobbler thing. So put a little bump there and then just draw that. And now, draw another eyeball like that. Okay, so you basically have one circle, kind of this beak line, and then another eyeball circle. I'm going to come back to this part. This little bump, I'm going to draw like a little squiggly little gobblery little thing. What's it called? Does anybody know? Now, I'm going to finish off this beak by just kind of making a little triangle right there. And this part, I'm going to kind of also extend just back there. So that's the top half of his beak. And he also has like a little bottom part. Goes like that. Okay. Hopefully you've gotten that far. That's a little tricky, I know. Promise you, that is the hardest part. So if you need to rewind it, pause it, play in slow motion, I don't know. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a long, like giraffe neck that just swoops around. Okay. Oh, a turkey, they're kind of just a big ball. So let's just draw that. And it can be lumpy. There's no reason it needs to be perfect. It's a turkey, right? It's not a basketball. Let's see. Turkeys also need wings because they are a bird. So that's just a little triangle. And then for his feet, we're going to keep these simple. Just a line for each leg. And then 3 little toes. Boom, boom, boom. And that kind of that's looking good, right? We're missing something though. And that's the big feathers. The big old feathers. So these are pretty simple once you figure it out here. I'm going to show you the way I do it is just a big, it's kind of a triangle, but it's kind of round. Okay? It's like a rounded top. And I'm going to do that all the way around, but I'm going to start here for the next one. Just do a little bit, and then kind of back down. And each time, I'm just going to kind of angle it, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller every time. And then you get a nice round shape. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. And that one kind of goes behind his neck. And if they do, you just stop there and just draw another little line like that. We got ourselves a turkey. Look at that guy. He looks a little nervous. It's probably because, well, it's Thanksgiving. Turkeys get nervous around Thanksgiving. Alright, I'm going to draw a little bit of ground. And all this is me just kind of drawing some little squiggles, like maybe they're rocks or dirt or something. I think that's just a fun way to make it feel like our drawing isn't floating. Okay. Let's start with colors. I'm going to start with this little face. So this thing, this hangy gobbler thingy, I think is red. So I'm going to color mine red. And I think his beak should probably be yellow for me. Like a yellow beak. Now this is where my brown comes in. I don't have a light brown marker. I should get one, because I run into this problem a lot. I'm just going to color my turkey whole body, not the feathers, but the body, this color. Alrighty, it's looking good. Now for my feathers, I think I'm going to start with orange, and I'm just going to go every other feather. And I'm going to do orange and red. So I'm going to start with this middle one. I'll just do this one orange. And don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos, to like and subscribe to my channel, so that way you can come draw with me next time you're ready to make something fun. Alrighty. Now to finish this turkey off, we're going to do these other feathers red. Alrighty. I think we got ourselves a little turkey. Thanks for following along. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving if you're in the United States, and I will see you with the next drawing.